Hey everybody and welcome. Little tip here for Adobe Photoshop. Were you guys aware of this? When printing something in Photoshop, there is actually a feature in the menu there once you select your printer and everything where you can resize and move your image around to get it the way you want it on the page so that it prints out just the way you want it. Give this a try and let me know if it works for you. I thought this was an awesome thing to stumble across. This is a feature in Photoshop. Did you guys find this helpful? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have an awesome day and happy crafting, everybody.